Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southern Montgomery County in central Maryland, southeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, northwestern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, until 9 o'clock p.m. At 5:52 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain capable of producing flash flooding. Additional rainfall amounts of around 2 inches can be expected. Some locations that are affected by the heavy rain include Arcola, Ashburn, Centerville, Chantilly, Countryside, Dulles International Airport, Fairfax, Great Falls, Herndon, McLean, Mayerfield, Oakton, Reston, Tyson's Corner, Vienna, Wolf Trap, Aspen Hill, Bethesda, Potomac, Rockville, the American Legion Bridge, Brambleton, Broadlands, Rose Island, Mantua, Emmett Hills, and South Riding. Most flash flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the road. Flood water usually is deeper than it appears. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. Make the smart choice. When flooded roads are encountered, turn around, don't drown.
That's the greatest thing to do. Tyson.
The National Weather